So I had to pull over for this one, people, because it got me very frustrated.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
It got me very frustrated. So I don't want you to like this video. I don't want you to like this video. I want you to share this video, because I want this knowledge to go viral. This video is for Jamaicans. I went to a machine last night and I was very distraught because the line was long.
God Almighty.
And persons
this looks serious, man.
went in the machine and they spent a whole length of time in there depositing money.
Something alright.
No, my problem is not with depositing the money, with depositing your money. But my problem is the length of time that you spend in there while the machine spits out your money. It's because you're not depositing the money correctly. Now, people, if you are depositing your money and the machine keeps spitting it out, then this video is for you, right? Now, this is your money. It has two faces on it. Whichever money you're depositing, it has two faces on it. Ensure that the face that is on the money is turned down and it is away from you. In other words, it is towards the machine, facing down. Insert. That's how you deposit the money, people. If you're not doing it that way, then the people on the outside will get very frustrated and you will get frustrated. You will just want to you understand what I'm saying? So share this video so that others will gain this knowledge, because it is very frustrating standing up at the machine and waiting for a person to deposit when the machine keeps spitting out back the money. So alright, people, share this video for me. I'm going to post it on all of my platforms because people need to know these things.